people of the people. We are in the rainforest right now. There's the tree. People of the people. Yeah, there. We just passed the desert and now we're in the rainforest. Oh, look at this shady spot. Denise, now we're in the desert again. Well, we're about to pass the desert. Say hi. We're on video.
What?
Okay, now take the camera and do whatever you want with the camera, because it's stupid. Hi.
It's blonde. Uh-oh, it's gray. Mayday. I'm just kidding.
We're in the desert.
Look, it's got rocks on it. Oh, look, it's my shoes. Oh, look. We're stepping on mini eggs. It just went concrete. Oh my God, I'm in the Amazon. Look at it. It's scary. Oh wait, you just got this way. Yay!
So weird. That's why I gave you the camera, so your weirdness could be on my phone.
I'm hitting in the road. Tell me if there's a car.
I'm going in the road too.
Well, tell me if there's a car.
Yeah.
Don't worry, the phone will tell me if it has a car.
Well.
Don't worry. We all got it in hand.
Right now, on the road.
On the road.
Get hit by a car. I'll fill the loo.